What's going on, guys? It's the FRS in here back with another video, and today we might be doing our first race in the boosted FRS after the tune and stuff. So, you know, hopefully it all goes well and we can actually race, but potentially might be racing a 370Z. So yeah, we gonna see. But we're waiting for them to pull up right now and get this under the way. Then we gotta go meet everybody else there. So see you when they pull up, or whenever I come back. Alright guys, so we got the 420 horsepower FRS. See, Mr. Huffing Rins with the slow FRS, huh?
How much you say, 400?
400 in some change.
Alright, what are we talking here? Wheel, crank?
400 is 400, don't really matter.
I make 600 to the wheel. What you trying to do, bro?
Okay. What was you saying?
What?
What was he saying?
I didn't say anything.
You keep saying something when I'm like,
I didn't.
okay.
I didn't say nothing.
You need some gas?
No.
How? What's your miles per gallon?
What? You like that?
Okay. Okay.
So close.
Okay. All right. So who riding in my car?
Me.
Running your car?
Matthew, you're riding in my car?
I'll ride.
What?
I'll ride. I'll ride.
Why are you gay?
Nah, Efren. Damn.
Damn. With effort.
All right.
So y'all riding behind? Okay.
I'll take Kariba too.
Should I park somewhere?
No. Too much weight.
You saying for me and her race?
Yeah,
Shit, we still chasing, right?
I guess we'll come back.
Oh, you need somebody to ride with you.
Yeah, to hold your camera.
I'm a pretty sizey guy. I think you want Matthew.
Lightweight here. Lightweight champion.
Good guy, man.
Right. What are you like? 117?
117? Damn, that's generous.
Is it?
Damn.
Shit.
Nah, 115.
Damn.
Before I go to the back.
Yo.
Look at the, outside view.
Text me when you're done.
I got you.
All right. Welcome to the belly of the beast, or Kenneth would say, EFRR. Dolphin dive high five.
Bro, how you at 113?
Dolphin dive high five.
Golfing down 5. Yeah.
Catching up.
For real?
Yeah.
What you at?
111.
What was I at last time compared to yours?
Like last time I saw you?
Yeah.
I don't know. 12?
Tell him stop. Tell him stop.
Hey.
Don't go! They finna set up.
Bro, still left the switch.
All right, fuck this switch. Nothing.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Look, manual. Sorry, manual. You saw that?
Hers?
Huh?
Hers automatic?
Yeah.
You had a perfect chance to
What?
swap it.
Bro,
I'm still mad about that.
I don't feel like spending $2,000. I'm sorry. And it shifts so smooth. It's like.
It's alright. That's more like.
Shut up. I'll be doing that sometimes.
I used used to have a water bottle. I used to have a thingy right here, my old car.
You're such a nerd, bro.
Oh.
Bro, I'm
The 10.
God damn.
Oh my god, I can barely see their headlights. I was kind of getting a clean roller too.
You was? Let me see. Bro, I hit the red line, bro. That's why you jerked back. Damn, nice ass roller.
No, I gotta redo that.
Yeah, you wasn't ready, right?
No, I wasn't.
All right, we'll do it this way down. So we're just doing another U-turn.
Here you go.
I need to stop hitting rail line.
Yeah, bro. Keep watching. Watch your RPM.
Yeah. Bro, cause I'm used to my other tune and it lets me hit red line. Like go a little bit past red line. Alright. Ask him to race a GTI. Oh fuck.
I don't think she's ready again.
Huh?
I don't think she's ready again. Look at this shit.
Hold on. Let me ask her. You want to race the GTI or you?
Yeah.
All right. It was a good race though. All right, we'll go to where they at. Did you?
It looked like they slowed down.
That's what I.
Looked like they stopped it. Look.
Damn. She didn't even have an excuse for that. She was like, yeah.
Gotta happen. No chance.
Yeah.
Man, bro. Damn.
I don't know, man.
Turbo had.
All right, go ahead.
The turbo had fluttered right when you passed us.
Yeah, I did that on purpose. hey, damn me up, man. Yeah, boy.
So Mr. Huff, he looks terrified.
Dude, I'm
Oh.
How bad was the gap?
The first one was crazy, bro.
Bro, the first like 2 or 3 times I hit red line, so I like the last
Oh wait,
one.
you wasn't spinning?
Nah.
Me and Reba thought you was spinning.
I hit red line, so it like held back my gear like before I shift. No.
Why you in brake boost?
Explain to them what happened
What?
when I hit red line.
Shit is fucking cold.
Oh, you hit red line and didn't shit.
Damn.
Yeah, so
No,
my car.
I'm saying though, but did you brake boost at all?
no.
Damn, just imagine if you would have brake boost. Shit would have been crazy.
But now the first one was like, yo, that first one was like 3 buses right there.
Damn. What about the second one? What was?
Second one was
The second one was good.
It was close.
It wasn't close.
License registration, please. You ready for the GTI?
Yeah.
For Efren?
Yeah.
Fuck Efren.
Come on, man.
Use your broke ass phone.
Come on.
My broke ass phone?
Mine.
I said Efren's. You know his screen?
Damn, Efren is terrible.
It's okay, Efren.
Man, let me get the headband.
You want the headband?
I want the headband.
It's gonna be bent right there.
All right, I gotta make sure I get the brake boost right. Tell me when she's lined up.
That's what I was saying though. The first I could get the jump, but
I say, Zach, he's supposed to be lightweight.
Trying to run?
You, me, bro, we already been through this, bro.
I know, it's for fun though.
Frick you, man. Nah, yeah, sure.
4-year-old?
Sure.
I get the hit.
Sure.
Can I get the hit? So you go off after. I keep playing the fucking sound. That shit not working. Damn.
Sorry.
Damn.
I ain't gonna catch the dick, bro.
What? Bro, it's just a camera.
Got the light.
Okay, sorry. It's like this.
There you go.
All right.